eastern gray squirrel, a bushy-tailed friend with a love for acorns. Watch as our furry friend skillfully cracks open an acorn shell to get to the tasty treat inside.
With tiny paws and a busy bee, clearing the ground, making life complete. Little squirrel, keeper of the trees, spreading life on every breeze.
These squirrels are agile and quick, darting up and down trees with ease. But they're just not eating for fun. They're also storing acorns for later. A clever survival strategy.
Nature's rhythm in your heart, digging holes, sowing dreams. Life is more than what it seems.
With their twitching noses and fluffy tails, eastern gray squirrels are a delight to watch.
Life on every breeze. One acorn gone, but roots will please. Forest grows with your expertise. Oh, tiny gardener, a forest guide, planting hope where seeds abide.
So, next time you see a squirrel, take a moment to appreciate these charming creatures and their love for acorns.